Welcome to the video. Today I'm a lighting operator at a small festival. I will show you everything I did from programming to running the show, so let's begin. I will start with a little sped up version of my pre-programming at home. If you don't care about it, you can skip to the time on screen or use the timestamps in YouTube. Welcome to the part where I actually start building the rig. As you can see, I start out with running my DMX cable from front of house to the stage, making sure I have enough cable on both ends, so if I need to move something, I can. Then after running the cable, I start positioning my moving heads. For this event we're using 4 Infinity ID7M5s in 23 channel mode. I wanted to have them spaced evenly on the floor, which I'm doing here. After putting down the fixtures, the next thing I do is connecting the power and DMX cables. The next step is making sure all the fixtures got the right address and channel mode, which I do here. To make it a bit easier, I exported a patch of my console and put it on a Google Sheet so I can just take a look at my phone instead of needing to go back and forth to the console every time. I'll also put the patch in the description so you guys can build your own shows for this side too. Right here I started cleaning up my stuff and taking one of the cases to front of house to place my console on top of. Here you see me setting up my console. Today this took a bit more than normal because we're using a different console than I normally use.
Ik heb geen idee. Ik heb nergens iets aan, maar... Oh, ja, natuurlijk.
Now at this point I discovered a problem. My laptop wouldn't recognize the USB dock in the console that connects to the fader wing and the touchscreen. So to hopefully fix it, I just started unplugging cables and plugging them back in. This theory eventually worked by unplugging and plugging back in the dock on the inside of the console. So now that everything works, let's show you the setup that I'm using today. It starts with a touchscreen monitor and a Titan mobile wing. Then on the right I have a MIDI pad with my blinder and pen tilt faders. I also have my infinite pen tilt presets and my strobes on some of the buttons. Then I have my laptop that powers the entire show. And on the bottom I have a T2 with one universe output. The first artist we had was just a standard DJ playing some hits to get it all started.
En Chris Cross, vanavond gaan wij uit als bol helemaal los. Een drankmarathon, paar de dubbele ton. Je weet dat ik voorlopig niet naar huis kom. Ik heb 4, 5 broodjes in mijn zak, ik heb de hele nacht al gewacht.
The second artist was a solo singer. The main performance of the night was now the band. This is the band I actually work for, and that's the reason I'm here today. You see that I also have a nice set list on my right with all the songs that are going to play with the colors and everything else. And here we have the last part of the band and the last performance of the night. Stop the video right here. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time.